Welcome to your dream home. Lake Murray Lakefront Home. Cedar siding home on large lot in Hallmark Shores. Open floor plan with vaulted ceilings. Great room with fireplace. Kitchen has pass-through to dining room and hardwood floors. Master bedroom has private bath located on the main level. Upstairs has 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. All bedrooms have beautiful lake views. 2-car attached garage. Extra large rear porch overlooking lake. Private dock and floater in place. Subdivision has tennis courts, boat ramps and playground. Convenient to Lexington High School. Great vacation home or permanent home.